We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at a north rectangle studio apartment. We're on the 4th floor. Let's go into apartment 418. In these north rectangles, we'll enter through the kitchen. The kitchen in this particular apartment is on the left. You can see the refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave over the counter, the stove. We've got some cabinets and drawers. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. We'll pass by the closet over here. We can peek into that. So this one does have this style closet in here. Let's go into the main living space. The apartments will always be furnished. You can see the dining table and chair, the dresser, the full-size bed, the tall bookshelf, the desk and chair. Let's peek in the bathroom, then we'll go look out the window. The bathrooms here in Collegetown Center are all the same. You have your standing tub shower, your vanity, for the sink, your mirror, your toilet. There's a medicine cabinet as well. Let's go over and see out the window. So we're on the Dryden Road side, or the north side of the building. So we have a good street view. So down below, we can always see what's going on in Collegetown, which is great for people watching here in this bustling neighborhood. And that's a look at Collegetown Center, studio apartment number 418. We're in a north rectangle. These are furnished apartments. We're located just 1 block from campus, just at the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road.